You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the city in Texas, United States. If you want to learn more names of confusing places, confusing names from the US and Texas in particular, stay tuned. Port, that's how the Americans say port. Port Aransas is how it is pronounced. In Spanish it would be Aransas, but in English, Port Aransas, Port Aransas, Port Aransas. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.